Hey guys, last time we helped the homie William install a ProDrager Hyperflow exhaust on his FK5 Civic, and today you'll get to hear it in action. In this video, we've got a bunch of audio clips so you can really hear how it sounds, at different RPMs and from both inside and outside the cabin. If you guys missed the install, it's linked in the description and the timestamps for this video are down there too. For today's video, the first few minutes cover the before and after comparison, and then we hit the road to capture some driving audio and hear what William thinks of it. Hope you guys enjoy.
Wait, should I be in park?
What about like light taps? Like nice. And so currently we've got it removed at the headers, which is all the way up in there. So we're gonna turn it on and see what it sounds like.
Yo, chat, want to hear a car without an exhaust?
I do.
It's gonna be really fucking terrible idea.
Oh, that's so sexy. Give it some gas. Oh my days. Wait, that sounds so good.
It actually sounds so good. Wow, I'm fucking scared, bro. It's so scary, bro. Ready?
Hold on, one sec. So, we've put the new exhaust on. Let me show it. We've got it all set up.
So sexy, bro. Ready?
Yes, sir. Oh!
Shit, actually, wait, I like that. Wait, that's cold.
That's
cold.
fire.
We need some gas.
Get some revs. Oh, yeah. Low key. A little bit, sounds like it. That's fire. So this is the finished product in the day. Look at that nice dual exit. What it looks like from the top, from in front. Looks pretty sweet.
Fuck, it's hot.
Rip.
Oh. Don't film that. Don't film that. And the spider web there too, for extra personality.
I like it.
The decoration.
For goth vibes. Edgelord.
I added the cracked mirror for special effects. It's still here. I wonder if it's a store owner over there. There's also a the Maserati there.
True.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I like it. It's like really. It's not too loud. It's like got a deep raspy note to it. Yeah, it's got middle. It's got the what's it called? Middle centering. Comes to the middle, like the exhaust.
The resonator.
No, just the
the
exhaust goes
middle
to the
exit.
middle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the middle exit because it looks like the RS ones and like the Type R ones.
It's much cooler.
It's much cooler. And yeah, it's sick. It was a good find on Marketplace. And
W Marketplace.
we love
find.
Marketplace, you know.
What do your parents think about it?
Honestly, they don't really care. As long as I like it, that's all that matters. That's what they said.
That's chill.
So, yeah.
Sick.
Yes, sir. It's a lot of cars.
Yeah. It's a pretty sharp left. I mean sharp right, sorry. What if you put your foot flat? That sounded nice.
Yeah. A lot of fun.